Hello, I do welcome you to this channel of mine. Today I've got this beautiful pattern here. With this pattern you can make either a baby blanket, you can make yourself a small bag, a phone case, or whatever you want to make. It's quite beautiful. As you can see, I made this one in blue and white. I've made a blanket with it in purple and white, and as you can see, it's quite beautiful and pleasant to look at. So for this pattern, I'm using this baby blue, baby wool, and this white new fashion double knitting by Woolcraft. So that's all I needed. I also need I used a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, as you can see, and I also needed my pair of scissors. So join me, let's make this together. So for this pattern I did use a 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, and let's begin. To begin, as you know, we have to make a loop, and this is how I make my loop, like that, like so. I'll move it like that, put my hook in, pull through, and then pull. That is how I make my loop. So now what I need to make, I need 22 chains, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, as you can see. So next I need to pick the chains. Pick each and every chain. Don't worry if it goes like that. You can do it again, get it right. Pick each and every chain, and you'll end up with 21 chains. So you pick each and every chain. Give yourself time. It's not a matter of life and death. It's you and your crochet, just the two of you. It's not, don't stress yourself. Just do it at your own pace. Not worrying. If you make a mistake, pick it up again. And that is how you enjoy crocheting. Don't give yourself any sort of stress. Just crochet. Just pick, pick, pick until you come to the last chain. Keep picking. So don't stress yourself, just pick. As long as you don't miss any, just pick. Just pick. Crochet is very, very enjoyable if you do it without stress. But if you stress yourself, just calm yourself down. and just do it, and you will greatly enjoy, and you make beautiful, beautiful patterns. So I've come to the last one. Here we are, and there we go. And that is what I have. I picked each and every chain, and that is what. So we are doing well. That is what we got so far. 21 spaces. As you can see, we're doing very well, moving at our own pace, no rushing, no stressing. So from here, what we do, we chain 1, 2, and 3, and then turn. Now we are going to make groups of 3 chains. So we got that one, we skip that one, we come to that one, and we do a single crochet there. So we got that gap there. So we need, you leave that one, you come to the third one here, chain, if first of all you chain 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, leave that one, come to this one, the third one, because we are making groups of 3. So we got 2 spaces, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So you leave that one, come to this one and do a single crochet in there. So you got how many gaps? 1, 2, 3. So not to worry, don't stress, just take your time. So you chain 1, 2, and 3. So you leave that one, come to the third one here, and do a single crochet like that. So you got 4 gaps, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So you leave that one and that one, come to this one, a single crochet. So hope you're not stressing. So we got how many? 5 gaps. So chain 1, 2, 3, leave that one and that one, come to this one, chain, single crochet, and we got the last 3. Oops, the last 3. So you chain 1, 2, 3, and now we are on our last bit, our last single crochet. So how many gaps do we have? We got 1, 2, let's count properly, put your hook down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because we had 21 gaps. So that is what we have at the moment. So I've got my 7 gaps, as you can see, got my 7 gaps. So time to introduce my second color. So I've got my working yarn there, and I've got my second color here. As you can see, is blue, that's white. So what I do, I take my working yarn, as you can see, and I will join here, join far. There's no need to stress yourself. I will join there, or the farthest you want. So I've got something like that, and all you have to do now is pull your work until you get to where make sure you are right there. So we are there with both colors. Don't worry about the ends. We'll tidy up later. If you see it's not there, just make sure pull it in completely so that it's quite at the starting point there. So from there, with your new yarn, you chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. So you got your white one there waiting, and you got your gap there. So in this gap, you make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So you have something like that. And on to the next gap, 3 double crochet. You're not chaining nothing, but 3 double crochet in every gap. In the next gap, 3 double crochet. And it's just as simple as you can see me do. 3 double crochet. You can see. So it's 3 double crochet. You can make it 4, 5, whatever you want. It's all up to you. You can make 4 in the gap, or whatever number you want. Me, I chose 3. That's why I did 22 stitches, so that I've got 21 gap. No, 21 stitches for 7 gaps. So it's 3 double crochet in every single gap. Like that. Let's go. In every gap, 3 double crochet, like so. Last gap. Yeah, take your time, do not rush, give yourself. So that is what I have at the moment. I have that. So 3 double crochet on every gap. So that is what I have at the moment. It's such a simple pattern, very beginner friendly. So when you get here, now leave, come back. You know you left this yarn here, you left it here. So time to make the other, some more gaps. So you go like that, and make 1, 2, and 3 chains with your other yarn. Now a single crochet in between there, go something like that. Now chain 3 again, 2, 3. You see your gap here. After the 3 double crochet, you go in, make a double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Your gap is here. A single crochet there, and you go something like that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and your gap is here. Single crochet there, 1, 2, 3. Your single crochet is here. Chain 3. Your single crochet is here. There. Now we come to the, we're nearing the end. Do your 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now watch what happens. You see this one, I left it here, I left it in a loop. Put your hook in. Now you got them in one loop like that, and go through like so. So you got your both yarn on the same side like that, and you have something as beautiful as that. So easy yet so beautiful. So you end up as if you, it's something like this, but different. I alternated the color. The blue came in between, and the white is the blue is dominant on this one, and white is dominant on the other one. So that is how easy it is. When you want to begin, you leave the white, you pick the blue, you chain 1, 2, 3, and now you continue with 3 double crochet in every gap like that, like so. 3 double crochet in every gap like that. So you leave this one on that side, we'll come back to it like so, like so. When you come to the end here, come back for the white bit, and that is how it's done. As easy as that, and you can make beautiful, beautiful articles out of that. Thank you very much for listening to me, for being with me. I don't take your presence here for granted. Hope you can do it. Hope you can do the simple pattern. It's so simple. Just take your time, no rush. Give yourself time to breathe if you need to, and you end up with a beautiful article, a blanket, or whatever you are making. Just, it's something you can do just when you are resting, when you're having your cup of tea, because it's stress-free. You're not thinking much. Once you change your colors, you're good to go. So until the next time, I will say my goodbye. So see you in the next one. I look for another beautiful pattern for you. See when you have done the 2 rows how it looks like. It's like that. So until we meet again, I will say bye bye.